first item I want to show you is this chest set. It's a beautiful handcrafted set made entirely of olive wood, and it is the olive tree, of course, is prized in the Mediterranean for the fruit, the olive, and also for its oil. So olive wood is not readily available for large projects, and it's used mostly for high-end items and veneers. Olive wood has a very gorgeous green, gorgeous grain pattern, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer up on some of it. So there's a drawer, as you can see, on both sides, and you can conveniently put your chess pieces inside the drawer when not in use. So this next item is a cell phone charging station, and it would definitely make a very good gift for anyone's desk. It really has a fine grain, and it would be a great showpiece, I'm sure, for any person who wants to entertain and be noticed. So I'm going to show a little bit close up on this, a little bit more, and also transition here. I want to show that again how this is made. It's such a pretty item, and I'm going to take these down and then show this. It shows you really, I think, quite well the grains in it. This is a really nice piece. It's beautiful. Up next is an array of kitchen items, especially the spoon and fork is great for tossing salads, and the knife would be a great item in the kitchen for spreading or making orders. And in addition, we have a very nice goblet that's turned in with really fine wood, and the grains again are just gorgeous. I can't say enough about the beauty of the wood, and I try to bring something up a little bit closer, and hopefully, I don't know, that might not show so well. I'm going to try to come in actually to this wood. I don't think you'll be able to see that so well, but it gives you an idea of the grains and how pretty it is. So this is more work from Nature Carthage, and there's a couple of bowls and a mortar and pestle, and hopefully we can do this justice. I want to this one I'm going to show off. Very nice grains. Show the bottom of it. It's really very pretty bowl. And I'll show this one also. And how nice the grain is. Look at that. That's just really pretty. And I think this mortar and pestle is particularly nice, and I really like the usefulness of it too. The fact that it's a very useful object. And I think some of this is just exquisite. just don't find that in other woods. This patterns of grain.